Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketracker.com, and today we're going to break down the driven mirror eliminator install on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike. Yes, I really did a video on this. Installing them on the bike and doing it in the video and giving you the opportunity to see that, it's more real world, real life, going to give you a better idea what it really looks like. This is a super simple install. Several colors available to accent the bike. Key point to remember is when you're doing this, the windscreen is retained by the OEM mirrors, okay? You want to make sure that when you reinstall these mirror eliminators that you don't get the windscreen pinned between the back of the mirror eliminator and the boss that it's supposed to ride on and then torque it down. If you did that, you could crack the windscreen. That's not cool. Nobody wants to do that, so try and avoid that. You'll see what I'm talking about as we go through this video. Torque. Try to get a feel for the torque value of the fasteners that held the OEM mirrors on, and just do the same thing when you run these back down. If you want to use a little bit of blue thread locker here, you could do that. Don't use anything stronger than that, but with the tapered seat fasteners, I really don't feel that that is necessary. Super basic install. They look cool. Stay tuned. Okay, super basic install. There are a couple of worthwhile tips here we're going to give you. Start off by removing the mirror. That is a 4mm internal hex. I'm using a T-handle. You can also use an Allen wrench if that's what you got. Do one side at a time because these 4 bolts also hold down your windscreen. Save your stock hardware, save your mirrors just in case you need them down the road, change your mind. Okay, here we go. Machined aluminum logo is engraved in the center. We're going to use tapered seat fasteners, hardware is included. A lot of different colors available to really accent your bike. During the installation, you see how the windscreen is held on? I want to make sure you don't get the windscreen trapped between that boss and the back of this mirror eliminator. So make sure you kind of hold it over like that. Also for torque, you don't need to go crazy here. What I want you to do is I want you to try and mirror the same torque you felt on the fasteners for the OEM mirrors. Yes, I just said that. Mirror the mirrors, man. 4mm internal hex, tapered seat. You could use a little thread locker here if you want to. I don't think it's necessary. The tapered seat fasteners, a lot of surface area, so you get some mechanical grip from that. I don't really see this being a scenario where those are going to come loose. Very easy on the torque. That's just a nice, clean little accent on the bike, right? Looks pretty cool. Going with the blue to match the grips that I put on there, those DXS grips. Max Van's convinced I'm using too many colors on this bike. I disagree. A little bling never hurt anybody. Okay, other side, same deal. Make sure that windscreen is in the center. Realistically, too, with a video like this, it's not just about the installation. It's kind of like still pictures only do a certain amount of justice, right? For the product, it's hard to really tell a lot about it from just a still image, and I think the video gets it across much better, so. There you go. That is our driven mirror eliminator install on our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 STG project bike.